You see they flap the air. They mean happy and enjoy. If they open.
តើមានបងប្អូនណាខ្លះនៅចាំសត្វដំរីទាំងនេះតើមានបងប្អូនណាខ្លះធ្លាប់បានជិះសត្វដំរីទស្សនាប្រាង្គប្រាសាទដូនតាខ្មែររបស់យើងដូចជាជិះឡើងភ្នំបាខែងជាដើមហើយមានឆ្ងល់ទេថាសត្វដំរីទាំងនោះបានបាត់ទៅណាបាទជំរាបសួរពុកម៉ែបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំនឹងនាំពុកម៉ែបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាទៅទស្សនាសកម្មភាពសត្វដំរីដែលធ្លាប់បម្រើក្នុងវិស័យទេសចរអស់រយៈពេលជិត22ឆ្នាំនៅពេលនេះសត្វដំរីទាំងនេះត្រូវបានចូលនិវត្តន៍ហើយគឺនាចុងឆ្នាំ2019សត្វដំរីទាំងនេះត្រូវបានបញ្ជូនទៅកាន់ព្រៃមួយកន្លែងនៅក្បែរជើងភ្នំកូលែនដែលមានចម្ងាយប្រហែល35គីឡូម៉ែត្រពីក្រុងសៀមរាបតែប៉ុណ្ណោះដែលនៅទីនេះគេហៅឈ្មោះថា Kulin Elephant Forest ឬក៏យើងអាចហៅម្យ៉ាងទៀតថាដំរីចូលនិវត្តន៍ភ្នំកូលែនថ្ងៃនេះផងដែរពួកយើងបាននាំភ្ញៀវទេសចរអន្តរជាតិមកទស្សនាសកម្មភាពសត្វដំរីចូលនិវត្តន៍នៅទីនោះគឺមានមគ្គុទ្ទេសក៍ជំនាញជាច្រើនរូបដែលពួកគាត់មានបទពិសោធន៍ជាច្រើនឆ្នាំជាមួយនឹងសត្វដំរីពួកគាត់នឹងធ្វើបទបង្ហាញពីរបៀបនៃការការពារខ្លួនពីសត្វដំរីពីរបៀបនៃការធ្វើចំណីឲ្យសត្វដំរីនិងពីរបៀបនៃការឲ្យចំណីទៅសត្វដំរីកុំឲ្យខាត់ពេលយូរពុកម៉ែបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាតោះមកមើលសកម្មភាពនៃការធ្វើចំណីឲ្យសត្វដំរីទាំងអស់គ្នានៅពុកម៉ែបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នានេះគឺជាសកម្មភាពកំពុងធ្វើចំណីឲ្យសត្វដំរីណាកំពុងតែលុញឲ្យវាមូលដូចបាល់អញ្ចឹងដោយសារតែប្រមោយដំរីដល់ពេលដែលយើងធ្វើឲ្យមូលអញ្ចឹងវាងាយស្រួលក្នុងការចាប់យកចំណីធ្វើចំណីឲ្យសត្វដំរីនេះយើងចំណាយពេលប្រហែលជាខ្ទង់10នាទីដែរពុកម៉ែបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាបន្ទាប់ពីធ្វើចំណីរួចរាល់ហើយពួកយើងក៏បានធ្វើដំណើរទៅកាន់សត្វដំរីថ្ងៃនេះយើងអត់សូវមានភ្ញៀវច្រើនប្រហែលទេដោយសារតែរដូវនេះជារដូវខ្សត់ភ្ញៀវដែលយើងពិចារណាយំហៅថា low season ឬក៏ green season អញ្ចឹងណាអញ្ចឹងមានភ្ញៀវប្រហែលជាខ្ទង់3ក្រុមទេឥឡូវនេះកំពុងធ្វើដំណើរទៅកាន់សត្វដំរីឥឡូវយើងទៅមើលសកម្មភាពឲ្យចំណីសត្វដំរីទាំងអស់គ្នាហើយយើងស្ដាប់ការណែនាំពីមគ្គុទ្ទេសក៍ណែនាំពីរបៀបនៃការឲ្យចំណីសត្វដំរីក្រៅពីសកម្មភាពឲ្យចំណីសត្វដំរីគឺយើងអាចឃើញសកម្មភាពដំរីរស់នៅក្នុងព្រៃនិងសកម្មភាពសត្វដំរីនៅទឹកគឺក៏មុតទឹកលេងនៅក្នុងស្រះអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនអរគ្នាជួយទស្សនាមើលសកម្មភាព
One bull, all female, okay, but female group and female group, no, they can't. Normally, I need to give Chubby first because Chubby always tell something. When you have food, everyone, they all have finger. This one a little bit bigger, finger cannot grab it, but they will pick up on the trunk. Let me show you. You hold like this, on the trunk like here. You see? Something small, finger pick up. You see one finger? You see Chubby? So quick. Hold like this. Oh, dropped it. We're not picky. Good. Some of them will drop some food on the ground. When you see they drop it, don't take it back because they're picky. They got breakfast. They have food a lot. They have choice. Sometimes they want to eat. They don't want. They will drop it on the ground. So don't take it back when you see they drop it. Okay. All right. So please start. 3 back first. The ball is dessert later. You can start.
Suara.
When you have food, feed them and come back. Okay? You need to finish 3 bags. Share. Don't forget to share elephant food.
Just wait a minute, let me get it.
Not Chubby again and again.
Sorry. Like Chess, you going in? Chess, come to this one.
از من نگرم نعم Bobby, make a photo. En şurada adam. Kom je typ lite hela tiden.
Wait a second.
With yogurt. I mentioned we can touch the food inside. Oh, let them go first. Sorry, let them go first. You know, here I call a special massage sport for elephants. If you touch example, BFF. Never go for each other, always together. Those two also always together, but they join for like a small group, small friends together. But 2 and 2 best friends. Often like this work right. Oh. Stay, just stay please. You can touch. Bali. Bye đi con. Để mình trong pin nó cái sáng sực. Bộ mà vẫn vậy, bộ mà sáng sực hay nhìn lấy sáng sực mục. Mình chưa đào ngay tịch. Ơi. À đây đây ở sang chứ. Nhưng mà bạn nó sang hay tê nhưng nhầm lăng chụp ta ở này. Đừng lại. Hai bên bên. I think Chubby spray mat, so stay on the side, please. I don't want you to get free. So stay here.
Maybe we get a holy thing from.
You see they flap the air, they mean happy and enjoy. If they open, we need to run. Open mean they're not happy. Open mean they put up like this, not moving. But if they keep slap, please stay. We know about them very well. They can change color. We know that not happy, and the ear or the activity they not show us. We know that they're not happy. But if you keep or you see them like this, stay. Enjoy. You can change the type. Shall we finish? We can touch, but now you can move here close. Shall we will finish soon? If you got hit from the tail, what do you think? Maybe she can come and go inside soon. We cannot go inside with elephants. They poop and pee all the time. Lychee inside too.
What a buffalo is try to lay down in the mud.
All elephant poop loading, always load. That's why we have stick and net to clean every day. Gardener here. One pool, one gardener. Or cleaner, standby.
Cho nó mình
Sling như mình sling là ổn nhỉ, sling sai sling.
ខឹងអាហ្នឹង
Khăn thì sling à. They're asking us. You lost us, but we are here. With elephant. Shall we find us? Shall we looking for us? We are here. Shall we lazy to come here?
Oh, lên hút cái hút tụi này.
We're gonna see her over there. Oh, national park over there. Everyone can
Yeah,
go
by you.
can use. It's the mountain. You know, fly trap. We need fly trap. Gangster. It is gangster, but this side is okay. Funny girl, this one like dancing. I hope one day I can bring her to pop street. Music, good for her. Yes. Oh, play rock me more, yeah. You want to eat bamboo? We don't allow her to eat bamboo. Yes. You see a little tusky? This is Asian elephant female. Very short and tiny. Maximum 4 to 7 years they will cut by themselves, like wild boar, and then grow up again. Cut and grow up again.
Ở trong tơ nữa នៅពុកម៉ែបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាគឺវីដេអូយើងមានតែប៉ុណ្្នឹងទេអរគុណច្រើនពុកម៉ែបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាសូមជម្រាបលា